Come over here, zoom in, Natasha, please. We got the hoods here. Now make sure when you buy the hoods, you get the same model number. And the model number generally is on the outside here, and it'll be on the packet of the hood. This is a 6870 Ti2, and we've got a 6870 Shimano hood here, and we've just put it on before. Got a tip from the lads at Giant Adelaide. Thank you very much, good tip. We've got the hoods from there. Other places sold out, because it is quite an old group set. It's about 12 years old, this group set came out. So what we do, you got some fabric, okay, got a bit of glove, got a bare back here, vasectomy style. I might pull out a bike races, but don't pull out a, here we go, here. We're gonna put the thread, the thing in here, then we're gonna put it over the top like that. And then be careful. Today's quite a warm day, so it's a good weather. If you're doing this in Quebec today, probably not a good idea, because it's in February, it can be quite cold. So make sure the rubber's a bit warm, it will stretch a bit more. And then we're gonna make sure that the flossed all the way through. And now we can pull it over like that, and just bit by bit, inch by inch, okay? You don't want to rip the rubber, you want to stretch it gently, okay? Ease into it. People are like, you put oil in there, but then the oil will be like always on your hoods, and your hoods will be slipping around. And then what we do, fabric's all the way through, flossed it, we're going to pull it up like that as we pull this up and over. And then we're going to shift gears. Just purposely going to play around with me. As I said, we're going to wrap the hood, wrap the lever.
Yeah, you'll get there.
We'll get there. So then again, take your time. We're on camera, so got a bit of pressure going on here. Maybe zoom in so we can see what's going on.
Yeah, it's zoomed in.
Okay, good. Yep. We don't want to rip the hood, eh?
No, we don't, because those are the last ones on Earth.
Yeah. And this is where we start to pull the fabric out and support the hood as well. Here we go. She's coming up. Yeah, there we go. So it's still floss. Boom. Huge hack. Huge hack. Look at that. And then just wiggle it in. Boom. Look at that. Into position. Make sure it's all under and tight. Zoom in here, please. You got it? Yep. 5x zoom. iPhone 16 Pro for the win. High Marsh Square, Adelaide, Australia. Nullarbor white. Fuel and energy. Look at that. Perfect. All right. That's how we roll. So that's how you do it. Boom. Take your time, but you've got to have that balance between enough force and not too much force that you rip your hood and you're back square one. And that's how we roll, man. Just using a piece of gloves. So I changed the hoods in the park. I changed headset bearings up top of Norton Summit. Legend has it. So yeah, these bikes are just super easy to work on, you know. I only own bikes. Actually, that's a bit lie, I do have an SLA, but 99% of my bikes are easy to work on. Okay. Bikes meant to simplify your life, game, man. It's that easy. That's how you put them on, and it feels so. This feels so good now. It feels so much better. This is like a new bike. I had it for Natasha.
Yeah, new.
All right, let's get the girls' feedback on that one.